In this tutorial, we are going to unbox and install the rear rack on your HT from Pedal Electric. Carefully cut open the sealed shipping box. The first item you'll see is the assembly and installation manual. Read it carefully for a smooth installation process. Inside the box, you'll find all necessary parts, including the hardware kit and an extension wire for your tail light. All parts are securely sealed for quality and protection during shipping. Carefully cut away the protective plastic without damaging the components. Start with the main rack frame. Attach one side panel first using the screws from the hardware kit. You'll need 3 screws per side. For now, tighten the screws only by hand so you can make adjustments later. Attach the other side panel. Before securing it, insert the washer that will hold the zip ties, keeping it parallel to the rack side as shown in the video. This will be used later to secure the tail light cable. Install the tail light bracket using 2 screws from the hardware kit. Once both side panels and the bracket are in place, use a hex key and an 8mm wrench to tighten all bolts around the rack. Hold the nut with the wrench while tightening the screw with the hex key. This is how your rear rack should look once fully assembled. Remove the seat by first taking the battery out of its slot. This will expose the 5 screws holding the seat in place. Remove these screws carefully to access the controller and connect the taillight extension wire. With the seat removed, you'll have access to the controller under the seat. Locate the taillight cable and disconnect it from the main harness. Use the provided extension cable to reconnect it, making it long enough to reach the rear rack. Remove the tail light from the bike by undoing the 2 side nuts. Keep these nuts for reinstallation later. Remove the 2 screws on each side of the bike frame as shown in the video to prepare for mounting the rack. Position the rear rack on the bike and secure it using the screws removed earlier. Finger tighten them first to ensure all screws are in place, then fully tighten to secure the rack to the bike. Reinstall the tail light onto the rack bracket using the original screws. Tighten them securely. Connect the extension cable to the tail light connector and use the provided zip ties to secure the cable along the rack. Trim off excess zip tie ends for a clean finish. Install the support arms by removing the screws from the sides of the HT frame and replacing them with the screws and nuts provided in the hardware kit. Remember to finger tighten the screws first, then fully tighten them to ensure the rear rack can support weight. Once everything is in place, go over all screws on the bike and rack to ensure they are securely tightened. Reinstall the seat by tightening the 5 screws you removed earlier during the installation of the taillight and reconnect the battery again. If you have any questions, contact us using the email or phone number listed in the description of this video.